Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to completely remove the tags plugin from RedmineUP. So it is going to completely uninstall from your Redmine. At the end of this video, the tags plugin is not going to appear here into the list. Okay, so the very first step that you have to do is to just open your command line if you're using Linux operating system. It is done with the command with the buttons Ctrl, Alt and T. Okay, so I'm going to zoom it a little bit so it will be easier for you to see it. Okay, now you have to change to your core Redmine directory, which in our case is Redmine 5. And now there are going to be 3 simple steps for the uninstallation process. The first one is to downgrade your database. It is done with the command bundle exec rake redmine plugins, and here it is very important to set the correct name of the plugin you are trying to uninstall, which in our case is Redmine Tags. Okay, so you continue version 0 Rails Env production. Okay, so we see that the downgrading database is done with 4 lines of code, so it is successfully done here. Now the second step that you have to do is to remove the plugins folder itself. So it is done with the command remove forcibly and recursively plugins RedmineUP Tags. Okay, and the third and last step is to just restart your Redmine. It is very important step because all changes are going to be applied after restarting. So it is done with the command touch temporary restart point txt. So we return back to our Redmine and just refresh the page. The tags plugin has to disappear after a couple of seconds. Okay, it is now gone. So we have done our job successfully. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, please check our videos into the other articles of our documentations. Bye bye for now.